Hello guys, welcome to Rekha Commerce. Cash discount. In my previous video, I already explained about trade discount, right? So in this video, I'll go for cash discount. So before going into that, like and share my video and subscribe my channel for more updates. And post your opinions and doubts on comment box. Let's see. See, it is very easy to understand the meaning of cash discount. It means the seller allows discount to the buyer on invoice price. That is called cash discount. Okay, then who is the seller and who is the buyer? Who allows discount to whom? Let's see. For example, see, wholesaler or manufacturing companies or distributors or service providers. So, they allows discount to the retailers or resellers or customers because they are the manufacturing companies to manufacturing the goods and they sold their goods to the retailers, right? So, they provide discount to the retailers. Here, wholesalers are the sellers and retailers are the purchasers here. So, they both record the discount. They record on sales discount and they written as purchase discount because wholesaler sold the goods. So, he allows discount on his sales. But here, retailers or resellers, they purchase the goods and they get the discount on their purchases. So, they recorded as purchase discount. Okay. By seeing this, you may get one doubt, right? So, in trade discount also same like this, right? In the trade discount also, the wholesalers or manufacturing companies allows discount to the retailers, right? But what is the difference between cash discount and trade discount? Let's have a look on that. For suppose, maximum the wholesalers or manufacturing companies do their sales on credit basis because the retailers or the resellers have that much of money to pay the price at once. So, they always purchase the goods on credit, right? So, in that case, the manufacturing companies allows discount to the retailers when they purchase the goods on bulky quantity. So, most of the retailers, they purchase bulky quantity because they again resell that quantity to the end customers, right? So, they purchase goods on bulky and they don't have much money to pay the price at one time. So, they go for credit purchases. At that moment, the manufacturing companies allows discount to the retailers. So, on catalog price, that is called trade discount. Okay. So, here the retailer purchase the goods from manufacturing companies and the manufacturing companies allows discount. Okay. But after some time, they need to pay the price, right? So, if the retailers pay the price within the due date, then the manufacturing companies again allows the cash discount on invoice price because here already the invoice should be prepared, right? So, at the time of payment, again the manufacturing companies allows discount. That is called cash discount. Okay. So, trade discount allows on catalog price and invoice and cash discount allows on invoice price. So, that is the difference between trade discount and cash discount. Okay. Let's see cash discount on point wise. First one, cash discount is an incentive. It means the seller provides incentive to the buyer. So, it's a incentive to the purchaser who purchased the goods from the seller. So, it is the reduction of the price on invoice. It is called incentive. Next, cash discount is also called early payment discount or prompt payment discount. So, it means if the purchaser pay the price on early before the due date, then he will get the discount. So, it is also called early payment discount or prompt payment discount. Okay. Next point. The buyer get the discount when he pay the full invoice amount before the scheduled due date. So it means if the buyer pay the full amount before the scheduled date, then only he get the cash discount. So the manufacturing companies allows trade discount to all his customers because all the retailers mostly purchase bulky quantity from the manufacturing companies. So they allow trade discount to all the customers. But when coming to the cash discount, it will be applied to only limited members, those members who are paid before the scheduled due date. For example, the scheduled date is 1 month. If the customer paid the full invoice price before the 1 month, then only he get the discount. So that is called cash discount. Okay, next one. Cash discount was recorded by both the parties. It means already manufacturing companies allows invoice to the retailers, right? So invoice should be prepared. So it was a deduction from the invoice. So it should be recorded by both the parties for accurate result. So the manufacturing companies, it means the sellers, and the resellers or retailers, it means the purchasers. Both the parties should record about cash discount, and separate account should also be prepared in ledger accounts. Next, it is not shown in invoice because it was deducted from invoice, right? So it was not again shown in invoice. Okay. Next, 3 important terms to know more about cash discount. First one, period of discount. It means the sellers allows some period to the buyers to pay the invoice price. So the manufacturing companies allow some period. If the customers or the retailers pay the full invoice price before the due date, then only he will get the discount amount. So that is called period of discount. Next one, percentage of discount. It means, for suppose, if the manufacturing companies put the deadline for 10 days. So if his customer pay the full invoice price before the 10 days, he will get 2% discount. So the 2% is the percentage of discount here. Next one, amount of cash discount. It means the reduction amount of his invoice price. That is called amount of cash discount. Okay. Next, timeline of cash discount. For suppose, here date of credit sale. It means manufacturing companies do the business on credit sale. So they sell the goods on credit from on this date, right? So they give 30 days time period to the customers. It depends upon the manufacturing companies. Instead of 30 days, they will give 10, 20. Just I am taking an example. For suppose, they give 30 days time to the customers. So if the customer pay the full invoice amount before this due date, before this date, then he will get 5% discount on total invoice price. Okay. So here the manufacturing companies allows 5% discount to the purchasers. It means customers. For suppose, if the customer pay after this date, on 1st November he will pay, then he did not get any discount because the period, discount time period was over here. So the customer did not get any discount at this point of time. For suppose, if the customer paid after the due date, so here the due date time period was also over here. It means only the due date time period was 45 days. So it was also over. Then he have to pay interest also. So along with his invoice price, he will also pay the interest also. So if the customer pay at this point of time, he will be benefited of 5% discount. But here he will not get any benefit, but he did not have any risk here. But if the customer paid at this time, he have to pay the interest also. So by doing this, the manufacturing companies also benefited because at this point of time, the customer pay the amount, the manufacturing companies have more money to do the business again, and also the risk also decreases from bad debts. So next, difference between trade discount and cash discount. So trade discount means the manufacturing companies allows trade discount on bulk quantities. For suppose if the purchaser purchase the quantity in bulk, then only the manufacturing companies or the wholesalers allows trade discount. So mostly all the retailers purchase the quantities in bulky. So all the retailers have got this trade discount. But here prompt payment. For suppose if the retailer pay the amount within the due date, so within less period, then only he will get the cash discount. Next, trade discount was calculated on catalog price and the cash discount on invoice price. Trade discount was not recorded in books because no invoice or no records should be prepared for trade discount. But here when the retailer purchase the goods from the manufacturing companies, they give the invoice to the purchaser or the retailer, right? So it should be recorded in books. So both the parties recorded in his books. Next, it was shown in invoice as a deduction, but cash discount not shown in invoice as a deduction. So the main purpose of cash discount is to encourage the purchasers to pay the price within time. So it will be benefited to the manufacturing companies, and the manufacturing companies will also avoid bad debts, and they circulate this amount to further production process. So this is all about trade discount and cash discount.